Hey guys, summer is almost here. We're coming out of our spring rains and getting ready for the great swimsuit weather, but the one unfortunate side of all of this water and the heat coming is mosquitoes. They are already here. So, with half my family being allergic to these pesky little critters, I have decided to declare war on mosquitoes. And here are a few tips on how I plan on declaring war. Follow along. 1. Wear long sleeves and pants. 2. Apply EPA-approved insect repellent or bug spray. 3. Remove standing water, which means after the spring rains come through, take a couple of minutes to step outside and dump anything that might have gathered water. 4. Remember to use preventative measures for your pets. I use mosquito dunks or mosquito pellets. They're completely pet safe to make sure mosquitoes do not have a breeding ground in those pools of standing water. 5. Use bug preventative spray that you connect to your water hose to soak your yard to prevent mosquito breeding. I hope you find these tips helpful as you navigate our summer season. I know here the mosquitoes have already started biting, but I have already started fighting. If you have any further questions and we can help with any advice or tips, hit us up over here on the blog, on social media, because we would be more than happy to help you declare war on mosquitoes.